Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dallas, and today, we've got an exciting topic for all of you teenagers out there looking to make some extra cash. We're diving into the top 3 best side hustles to start as a teen. So, if you're ready to start earning money and building your financial future, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, first up, we've got a side hustle that's great for teens who have a knack for writing or creativity: freelance writing and content creation. You can get started by offering your writing services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even reaching out to small businesses or bloggers who need help creating content for their websites, social media, or blogs. As a teen, you can specialize in writing blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, or even writing for YouTube scripts. And the best part? You don't need a lot of experience to start. Just a passion for writing and the willingness to learn will take you a long way. Plus, you can work from anywhere. So if you've got some writing talent, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Hustle number 2 is something that's super relevant in today's digital world: social media management. Now, I know what you're thinking. I spend all my time on Instagram and TikTok. How can that be a business? Well, it actually can be. A lot of small businesses, brands, and even influencers need help managing their social media accounts, creating posts, and engaging with their audience. If you're a teen who's always on social media, this is a great way to turn that screen time into cash. You can help businesses grow their online presence, create content, and schedule posts. Plus, you can even specialize in platforms like TikTok, which is a huge hit with teens right now. And don't worry if you're not an expert. There are tons of free resources out there to teach you the basics of social media marketing. You can get started with just a few clients and scale from there. Now, for hustle number 3, we've got e-commerce and flipping products. This one is perfect if you're interested in selling things online. You can start by flipping products you find at thrift stores, garage sales, or even on clearance at your local stores, and resell them for a profit on platforms like eBay, Mercury, or Poshmark. You'd be surprised at what people will buy. Whether it's vintage clothing, electronics, or collectibles, there's a big market for secondhand goods. And with apps like eBay and Mercury, you don't need a lot of upfront investment to get started. If you're willing to hustle, research trends, and get creative, flipping products could be a very profitable side hustle for you. So, there you have it, the top 3 best side hustles to start as a teen: freelance writing and content creation, social media management, and e-commerce/flipping products. The best part is that all of these can be started with just a computer or a phone, and they don't require a huge upfront investment. If you're interested in any of these side hustles, let me know in the comments below which one you'd like to try first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Go out there and start hustling.